Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send large videos Android to iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to send large videos from your Android phone to your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to install an application in your Android phone and also in your iPhone. So open App Store in your iPhone and just open Play Store in your Android phone, and you just need to install the shared app. So I'm going to install it on both my phones. And once you have installed, you just wait for it until the installation completes. After installation, you have to simply open the app in both of your phones. Now here, you just have to allow, then allow again. And if you find any ads, you just have to try to skip that ad. Then tap on this next option here. And now you'll get this app interface. Now you have to set up on this phone. Tap on agree and continue here. Then tap on allow. And here you have to allow access to manage files. Then go back, and here is a let allow to send you notifications. Now on this page, you just have to select send in your Android phone and receive in your iPhone. Let's say I'm gonna select receive in my iPhone, and here just select send in your Android phone. You have to also allow to use your location, and then close it to the ad. Now you just have to select the video on this page that you want to send. Just go to the video section here, and here just select folders, and then select folder whether you have the video. I'm going to select this one. It's a 2.30 GB, so I'm going to select this and then tap on the send option here. So here just select while using the app. So now you just have to select scan to connect with your Android phone. So here you have to try to create a group first. So just go back here. So you just have to tap on the plus option in the top right, and then select connect to iOS to connect with your iPhone. Now you just have to try to connect or use this QR code and scan this. And once the QR code has been scanned using your iPhone camera, your phones will be connected. Just tap on the join option and they will start it connecting. And once your phones are connected, you will get this type interface. Now from here, you just have to select the videos which you want to send. Let's say I want to select this video option here. Then select folders. Select the folder where you have the video. Then tap on the send option and your video will start it sending. So in this way, you can easily send large videos from the Android to iPhone very fast. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.